Avika, Sohard, Vedang, Gaurvangi, Akshaj, Parth, and Vidisha. You all have to be on the camera. Turn on your cameras. Everyone.
मैम विदिशा का कैमरा ऑन है?
हाँ, Vidisha is on now. I'm asking others, ma'am, those who have not switched it on. So you can mute her.
मैम मेरा भी ऑन है।
Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, अविका का भी ऑन है?
Avika, I'm not able to see you. Yes, now I can see. And please try to speak in English. Whether you speak wrong or right, that doesn't mean. Okay? But you should try speaking. Okay. Now, you all know which class is this? Which subject we'll study today?
Ma'am, this is a maths class. Ma'am, this
Yes,
is a
okay.
maths class. This
Yeah,
is
right.
a maths class.
Okay, okay, I got it. Okay. Now, we have maths class today, and Gaurvangi will tell that what was the last topic that we have done before holidays. Everyone, please mute yourselves. Only those from whom the questions will be asked will unmute and answer. Gaurvangi, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me which was the topic that was done on the at the last day of before holidays.
Ma'am, adding 0 and 1.
Okay. Is it right? Adding 0 and 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Akrishi, if I will add 0 to a number, then what I will get?
Ma'am, that number.
That number. That very same number which has been added?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vidisha, if I will add 1 to the number, then what will be the answer I'll get? Vidisha?
मैम तुमको बुला रही हूँ।
Yes, ma'am.
मैम वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
Ma'am, might be there is network issue. We can't help it, but I'll try to make it more clear. I'm asking Vidisha that if we will add one number to the number to any, like suppose if I'll add 2 plus 1, what will be the answer? Yes, Vidisha?
मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, वॉल्यूम इज वेरी लो।
Okay. Anyone else who is not able to hear me? Anyone else is there who cannot hear me?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
That's okay. Now Vidisha has gone. She'll join again.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidisha, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm asking you, if I will add one number to any number, then what will be the answer? If I'll add 5 plus 1, then what will be the answer? Vidisha?
Six.
6. Okay. If I'll add 9, 1 to the number 9, then what will be the answer?
10.
Okay. So, okay, I got it. 10. Is it the number that comes after 9?
Yes.
Vidisha, are you all Vidisha? Let me hear the answer from Vidisha.
Yes.
Yes. If I ask you again that if I'll add 1 to any number, then what will be the answer? If I will add 1 to any number, then what will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are telling the next one. Fine. So we all got it clear that adding 0 to the number, the answer will be the same number that we are adding, and adding 1 to any number will be the next number will be the answer. Suppose if I'm adding 5 plus 1, it becomes 6. So 6 comes after 5. Okay. Adding 11 plus 1 is 12. So 11 comes after, 11 comes after 12, before 12. So 11 is the 12 is the number that comes after 11. So just understand this, that adding 1 to any number, the same number will be the answer. Fine. So I want you all to do some sums. You all have your maths notebooks with you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the heading will be adding, write date, CW. Every day before the class, you should be ready with date and CW. If you'll not do the work, then we can like edit the date the next day. If there will be no work done that day.
सही बात शार्प नहीं है
Can you see this page?
Yes, ma'am.
This is my maths book. Your maths book will be little bit different, as I know. So we'll be doing these sums.
My page number.
Akrishi, this is my maths book. You have to do the sums in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
So you all will write the heading first, and the heading will be adding numbers with 0 and 1. So there will be date. On the right corner side, there will be CW. And the heading will be adding the numbers with 0 and 1. You will write 0, and 1. And after that, you leave one line. From the next line, question 1 will be 4 plus 0 is equal to. You will write 4 in one box, plus in one box, again 1 in one box is equal to in one box, and the answer in the one box. Each sequence should be in one separate box. I don't want. Yes.
मैम यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है?
कहाँ पे? मैम को दिख रहा है क्या? कहाँ पे? मैम से पूछो, मैम क्या लिखना है? स्टार्टिंग से पूछो मैम।
मैम स्टार्टिंग से क्या लिखना है?
मैम पहले तो आप प्लीज ऑडियो ऑफ करके उसको समझाइए. And Vidisha, please try to speak in English better. You can say, ma'am, what I have to write. Please repeat. Okay? Tell what I'm telling you to ask. Repeat again. Ma'am, please repeat what I have to write. Speak. Vidisha, speak beta. I am writing this statement in the chat box. You all please see to it and write. Adding the numbers with 0 and 1. Can you all see the chat box and write? Ganesha, can you write? And do not turn off your camera.
मैम I have C. Ma'am, written the heading. Ma'am, tell the number second.
Hold on for a second, beta. Let others write. Who has just joined? Ira. Ira, you came late. What happened?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ira, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, please repeat.
Ira, we are doing the notebook work. Right date.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, I can hear you, Ira.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Vidisha, wait, let Ira come and start.
Mira, do it first.
Ira, write date, CW, and the heading will be adding the numbers with 0 and 1. And the heading is already pasted on the chat box. You can see and write from there also. Okay. Question 1 is Akshaj, tell question 1. Akshaj, I want you to tell question 1.
4 plus 1 equal to 05.
No, but we'll not write 05. We'll just write 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain to Vidisha. She doesn't write anything and she don't understand anything. She's asking from me. Please explain her.
Ma'am, please repeat. No. Ma'am, please repeat once again.
The class got disconnected due to network issue. In the Google Meet, you should understand that you will never leave the class if the class gets over immediately by default. Okay. So the next question is 4 plus
Please repeat
0.
once again. Question 1.
Question 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to, you all have to write the answer on your own.
4 plus 1.
Question 2 is 4 plus 0 is equal to, I am speaking also and I am writing the question in the chat box also. So if your question is getting missed, you all can go through the chat box and quickly reply. Quickly copy.
Ma'am, tell the
Anya, तुमको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है?
ma'am, tell the next one.
Which one? Second one or third one?
Ma'am, third one.
But I'm not yet came to third one. Please wait. Yes, Vidisha.
Ma'am, second में क्या लिखना है?
Vidisha, if you'll question me in Hindi, I'll not answer you. You have to try to speak in Hindi, English. Ask what is question 2, ma'am. Speak. Speak, Vidisha.
What
Vidisha, speak. What is question 2?
What
is
is
question
question
2?
2?
Question 2 is 4 plus 0
Okay.
4 plus
is equal to.
पूछ लेना मम्मा मम्मा.
Question 3 will be 1 plus 6 is equal to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the question of ma'am, what is question of number 3?
Question 3 is 1 plus 6.
Ma'am, tell the question 4.
Vidisha, why are you crying? Vidisha? Vidisha, unmute yourself, beta. Why are you crying? Mama scolded you.
No.
Okay. You please write slowly, but do not panic and do not cry. I'm repeating all the questions again. Question 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to. Question 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to. Question 3, 1 plus 6 is equal to. Question 4, 6 plus 0 is equal to. I want to tell you all one thing, that I am writing the question in the chat box also, where you are able to see your image. Just next to it you can see there is the box made with some lines. That is the chat box. When you will click on that, you will see that I'm writing the questions in that. Okay. The next is 1 plus 8 is equal to. Number 5. Number 6 is 8 plus 0 is equal to. Number 7, 1 plus 1 is equal to. Number 8, 1 plus 0 is equal to. बैटरी चूस ले रहा है.
Tell the 9 one. Tell the 9 one. None done. Excuse me, ma'am. 7 and 8. Right. Tell the question. Ma'am, I'm tell the 9 one. Now, ma'am done. Mom, done.
बोलो मैम I'm done.
Mom, I am done. I am done.
I have done the work.
Mom, I have done the work. I also done. Please tell the 9 one. Mom, I also done.
Yes, I'm back. I think there is some network issue. Please mute yourselves first.
Okay, ma'am.
Number nine is number 9 is 3 plus 1 is equal to, and number 10 is 3 plus 0 is equal to. Question 9 is 3 plus 1 is equal to. Question 10 is 3 plus 0 is equal to. Now, you all have to wait little bit because we will recapitulate all the questions with the answers, and the ones from whom I'll ask, you all will unmute yourself and you will tell me the question as well as the answer. Starting with Gaurvangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1 and its answer.
Question number 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5.
Okay, so she has answered. Question 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Avika. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Please, and everyone, please mute yourselves. Only the ones from whom the question will be asked will unmute. Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, 4 plus 0 equal to 4.
4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So that's very clear that when we add 0 to any number, then the answer will be the same number to which the 0 is added. So hard. Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Question 3 and
1
answer.
plus 6. 1
1
plus
plus
6
6
is equal. 1 plus 6 is equal 7.
is equal to. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. Akrishi. Question 4.
Why did you go for watching cartoon?
Yes, ma'am. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6.
6 plus 0 is equal to 6. This is question 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why they are repeating the question? So that the ones who have not written it or missed it can write it, the question and the answer with the same, of the same. Vedang, question number 5.
1 plus 8 is equal to 9.
1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Okay. That is the 5th question. Shubh.
only show none.
Show, please tell me the question number 6 and the answer. Show, I'm asking you, unmute yourself and then speak. Question number 6 with the answer. No matter, I'll come to you again. Ira, question number 6 with the answer.
Mom, I can't leave the meeting. I can't leave the meeting.
Why?
And number 6 is 8 plus 0 is equal to 8.
8 plus 0 is equal to 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganesha, question number 7. Ganesha, question 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak question 7 and its answer.
1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2.
Is equal to 2. Repeat again.
1 plus 1 is equals to 2.
Good. Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 8.
1 plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1.
Good. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Fine. Arijit,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 9.
3 plus 9, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4.
Okay, good. The question 9 told by Arijit is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And the last will be answered by Akshaj, the birthday boy. Akshaj,
Yes, ma'am.
the last question, number 10.
Okay, ma'am. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3.
Okay, now we have done 10 questions and everyone has told me the answer with the question. So anybody who has not done still, any question is left, you all can ask right now. That ma'am, this question is left. Anyone is there?
Yes, ma'am. What is the heading?
Pranchal, which question you have left?
Ma'am, 4.
Akshaj.
Yes,
Okay, wait,
ma'am.
Vidisha. Akshaj, tell question 4 to Pranchal.
Ma'am, 6 plus 0 equal to 6.
6 plus 0 is equal to the same number 6. Yes, Vidisha, which question left?
Number 10.
Vidisha, I cannot hear you. Which question left?
What is the heading?
What is the heading? You have done the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the question, what we are adding?
1.
And only once. We are doing the questions adding 1. 0.
0.
So heading is adding the numbers with 0 and 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Adding ADDING the NUMBERS numbers with WITH number 0 and number 1. So you will write 0 and 1. Now we have done these 10 questions of this exercise, and for clearing the concept of adding 0 and 1 to the numbers, the next topic will continue tomorrow, and you all will send me your work on WhatsApp as usual. After the class, once you can underline it, you have to underline the heading with blue pencil. You have to underline all the answers, the digits that you have written after equal to. You will underline those answers with blue pencil, draw the ending line with blue pencil, and send me the work. Okay? Now, bye bye and take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
the same thing, but here the difference